I want my chicken nuggets to be crispy. I want to bite into it and I want to hear like the crunch. That's not going to happen if you do it in the microwave. I feel like it's going to be like chewing gum. And I want nuggets, not gum. Welcome back to our channel, your favorite place for hauls, home decor, and all things homemaking. If you are joining us for the first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, we appreciate your support. This week's video is going to be 5 new items that I found at Trader Joe's that I just cannot wait to try. But I had to share it with you first, of course. Now, these are only 5 items, but as you know, we're coming up to the turn of the season, right? So once spring starts to come in, you're going to see more and more new items. So I'll definitely do a part 2 or part 3 as needed. But I just wanted to do a quick hit. These are just 5 new items that I cannot wait to try. If you want to see what they are, stay tuned. First up, I'm so excited about this because I've heard about it and I feel like this is like that, like, is this a rumor? Is it really happening? Because I never really actually saw them in any of the stores, but I came upon it. I was walking down the aisle, the frozen section, and I heard, it was almost like the cherubs were singing. And I knew there was something new. I just kept looking. I said, something's calling my name. Where is it? Where is it? And then, Impossible chicken nuggets. Yes, they're here. Yes, I'm excited. I don't know what they're gonna taste like because you know I'm a super fan of the Impossible meat, like the ground meat. I can't wait. They're chicken nuggets. Let me see how much come in a package. I gotta give you the tea on that. So there are 20 pieces that come in a package. It says that there are 5 pieces that are 240 calories. I'm okay with that. As you know, I don't count calories for my daughter. I will never do that. I'm against that. But I just wanted to see, like, if for me, if I wanted to try it, what kind of damage is it doing. And it seems like it's pretty quick. It says preheat at 375 and bake for 11 minutes. So you know sis is throwing it in the air fryer. We're gonna air crisp it for about 7 to 8 minutes. I'm excited about it. And oh, and it actually gives you the air fryer options as well. I love it. It gives you microwave options as well, but you know I'm not here for that. I want my chicken nuggets to be crispy. I want to bite into it and I want to hear like the crunch. That's not going to happen if you do it in the microwave. I feel like it's going to be like chewing gum. And I want nuggets, not gum. So I'm excited about this. That's the first one. The second one, I don't know if this is supposed to be like Trader Joe's version of hot honey, but I'm here for it. It's the organic spicy honey sauce with natural chili pepper flavor. I am excited about this. I saw this also in the frozen aisle. It's not a frozen item, but you know, when you're in the frozen aisle, a lot of times they'll have a lot of sauces that will pair well with many of the products that they have. They'll kind of have like a little pseudo shelf, if you will, that is right above the frozen aisle section. So as you're choosing things like, let's say the coconut shrimp or the fish sticks and things like that, you'll see like tartar sauce, or in the area where they may have a lot of the South Asian options, you may see like soy sauce there. You'll see teriyaki sauce. You'll see there's a General Tso's sauce. Don't try that one. It's terrible. Trader Joe's, you dropped the ball on General Tso's sauce, and I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad because they can't be perfect in every way. I mean, let's give them a break here. But guys, save your money. Don't buy it. I don't like it. It's too tangy. It's not giving me enough sweet. It's giving me way too much tartness. I'm not here for it. But this, I'm excited to try. You guys know I love Mike's Hot Honey, so I'm assuming this is like the Trader Joe's version of it. So make sure you're following us on Instagram because as you know, I do a lot of food reels on there, and I will also let you know in stories what I think about it. The next new item we have is, and I don't know if this is, I feel like this is new because I've never seen it before. Typically, Peyton gets the strawberry one and she loves these yogurts. And again, they come, it's like a drinkable yogurt. Let me tell you something. She used to do the yogurts, the 6-pack that comes in the cup, just a regular yogurt. But I'm here for anything that's going to minimize the cleanup, okay? And we all know if we're getting a snack to go, this is a great option versus having a cup with a spoon in the car. We know that that's just, it's gonna set us up for failure, and I'm just trying to avoid that. This is definitely the go-to. She loves this. Sometimes I'll pack this with maybe some carrot sticks, or maybe if she wants something savory, because sometimes if I do a snack, I try to do like a sweet and a savory option. So if I do this, I might do like a handful of the peanut butter stuffed pretzel nuggets that Trader Joe's has as well. Or I might do maybe a little bit of the Pirate's Booty, their version of Pirate's Booty. I think they call it cheese puffs. I might do like a sandwich size bag of that with this. You can't go wrong with that, right? So these are, it comes as a 4-pack. It is the low-fat yogurt, the wild berry smoothie. So I'm really excited to try this. Make sure you're following us on Instagram because we'll definitely let you guys know what we think about it. Okay, the next one up is the roasted garlic and pesto pizza with deep fried crust. Now, this has 4 Italian cheeses, the pine nut pesto, and a chewy Naples style crust. I'm excited about this one. I will tell you, I've tried, I think it's the mushroom, and there's a mushroom and cheese one that is almost shaped like a flatbread. Excellent. I've also tried the plain cheese one. Pretty good. No, like, I mean, it's a plain pizza. I mean, it gives what it's supposed to give, right? But this one I have not tried before, and it is new. I checked with one of the people that work there, and I was like, I want to make sure that this one is actually new, and I don't want to give you guys false information. She said this is one of the newer items that they've had. I'm really excited about it. It's ready in about 15 minutes. I haven't had any issues with any of their pizzas. I think they're really good. I will tell you that the portions are small though, I find. It's typically good for like a family of 2. Okay, so if you're looking to, you know, do like one of those flatbreads, because especially since it's really thin, you may want to buy 2 per, you want to buy 1 box per 2 people. All right, especially if this is the only thing you're having. If you're having other items, then you know you don't necessarily have to buy per person, right? But I think that this is going to be a good one for lunch for Peyton and I, which we'll probably be having today. So I can't wait to try that. Make sure you're following us on Instagram because you'll find out exactly how we feel about it. You know, I'm always honest, and I'll share with you in the stories because I want you guys to know whether or not you should invest in it, right? Now, the last one, which I'm really excited about, is for our bad boy Brooklyn. This is the peanut butter flavor retriever stick. Now, he's been having some issues with chewing on things. And actually, let me rephrase that because I am grateful. He doesn't chew on things. He only chews on his leash and he will chew right through it. He's done it 3 times already. 3 times. So I'm excited for him to try this because he is, and he's looking at me. Does he know that? Let me see if he's gonna try it. It's like I said, it's a peanut butter flavor retriever stick, and it's a dog chew stick. So it's not something that's like a quick treat. He should be able to chew for some time, but he has super sharp teeth. He goes through these bones like that. These bones that they say should last a couple days, not with him. Within 15-20 minutes, he's already chewed through it. So I don't know, but I was excited to try these. I don't remember the price, but as you know, I always will put it up here. And again, it's a peanut butter flavor. I'll let you guys know what he thinks about it. Right now, his favorite treat of the moment is the Caesar treats. They have these mini treats that are shaped like paws. He is obsessed with them. He also likes the taco, they're like taco minis. We get them from, I think they come from the dollar store. He loves it though. He really that's like his like McDonald's. We give him a little treat every now and then. I don't give him those very often, but the one thing that I do give him every day are I believe the brand is Whimsies. They are a version of like dentist sticks. So he does not let me brush his teeth. There's a lot of fighting going back and forth, and this particular product, it's supposed to be able to keep his teeth clean just as if you were brushing them every day. So I do give him one of those every single day. They're called Whimsies. I get them from Walmart. Oh, look, he's crying for it. Let me open it and give him one. I usually get them from Walmart or I get them from Target. They both have the brands. But Walmart, I usually buy it when I'm ordering my Walmart Plus delivery. You guys know that I usually get it from there. So you will be able to see it on there if you get it. And it's typically, I think they come, they are different sizes depending on the size of the dog. And he is a small, I think small to medium or something like that. And that one, it usually comes about 40 or 30 in a pack, and it's maybe about $15. But I give him one each day, and it tends to keep his breath fairly fresh. I also use the dog Listerine. I just squeeze a little quick squeeze in his water every day whenever I refill it. And that's really all we do to keep his teeth clean. It's been going okay so far. I mean, he's young, so it's kind of hard to know right off the bat. But yeah, so that's what we do as far as the hygiene for his teeth and for snacks. That's really where I was going with that. So those are the types of snacks we give him, the Whimsies and the Caesars. So now I'll be incorporating these and those dollar store treats, the taco minis we give him every now and then. And those are the 5 items. So we had the smoothies, we had the pizza crust, we had the spicy honey, we had Brooklyn's new treats, and lastly we had the Impossible chicken nuggets. We appreciate you guys for staying with us until the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you head on over to Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram. We love you guys so much for your support. We appreciate you so much for watching. Until next time.
You say that I don't care about you, but not anymore, 'cause you forgot about it.